I love you. Give me a kiss. I'm running late, but I slept so good. Nod your head again. Bye. I hate when trains just stop on the tracks and don't move for like 20 minutes. Can I just say I was literally stuck by that train for half an hour and there was nothing I could do? How do they think that's okay? To just block off the road like that? I mean, it normally takes me no more than 12 minutes to get to work. I left at 8:17 and it's now 8:53. Good thing I'm salary. Well, hello. It's like noon. It's my lunchtime, my lunch break, and a lot of times I eat at my desk, but today I thought it would be fun to go with Ozella and maybe Alex out to lunch. So let's see if where we're gonna go. Alright, so you can't see it terribly well, but it is going to come some smoke. It doesn't do really well in the vertical orientation because it's supposed to be horizontal.
Are you talking the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really vlog today, but I haven't really done a lot. Had lunch with Tyler and Ozella, then went to class. There was an art theorist talking today, but I'm becoming less and less satisfied with the institutional art scene, and I'm not entirely sure why, but I don't know, I just feel disgruntled whenever I hear like really academic people talk about what they look for in art and like what it means, and it's so esoteric. And I really work to make my work at least a little bit accessible to someone without an art background, and so I don't really buy into the whole institutional research in the arts thing. I don't know. But I just went to the thrift store. I picked up another bathrobe because in order to make it close properly, I needed more fabric, and this way I get to give him hands. And I'm going to try and pick up a headband for cheap, like dollar section at Target or something, so I can give him ears. And yeah, I'll try and do a sew-along video if I can get the camera work to happen, because I am making that shit tonight. So I will be with you shortly after I go purchase a zipper and some, what's the other? Shears. I want a zipper and some shears, because this time I didn't forget my coupon. On helping Ozella build her little Ozella apartment in our basement.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put an air mattress here for now. But yeah, my brother's gonna be coming over fairly soon, so I can finish his costume, and I'll take some shots of how I'm doing that. Till then, see ya. I have modified a bathrobe a bit. I'm gonna put a zipper going up here so it actually will be closed, sort of like that. And I'm starting to pin the legs, which was difficult, one, because I forgot that people have asses, and two, I have now forgotten that people have feet. So, one, I had to readjust the seam line, and two, now I have to open up the leg holes a little bit.